Hello everyone, I just showered. We woke up like 3 hours late. Yeah, there are no windows in this room, so it was like pitch black.
Yeah.
And my phone was dead, so when we turned it on, it said 9 a.m. It's raining outside, so it's a slow morning. We're gonna eat breakfast and try finding a cafe. There is the famous waterfall right next to China, which we're gonna go visit. And there is a cave, which hopefully we have time for. As for where we're going to sleep, I have no idea.
Good morning, friends. This is the view of our homestay. It's so nice. Motorbike right in the middle of the village. So peaceful. Look at all those chickens. One friend over here.
These kids have no idea what's happening. But still, they're watching all the brain rot. Guys, I messed up hard. I don't know what happened, but we can't find the keys. I swear it was in my pocket. Oh, this is why I have to put a Labubu keychain on it.
St. Anthony, please help us find the keys.
We literally tore through this homestay, digging through every little crook and cranny. And I wore these to sleep, and that's where they were. That's where the keys were. I was sleeping with the keys in my pocket the whole time? Man. Okay. Okay, Hazel, you keep the keys now, okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Oh. Okay guys, we're finally leaving. Let's go eat! You guys like my transitions? Open Lazzy. Take.
Okay.
Oh. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh.
Yay!
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's eat. Oh, man. It's nice and clean here. Okay. Oh, it's in English. Okay, hai phô vít.
Hai phở vịt nếu không có phở vịt.
Không.
Có mỗi ba chỉ hoặc
Ba chỉ.
đúng không? Lợn ấy, ba chỉ lợn ấy.
Ba chỉ không có nước không?
Dạ, phở nước. Đây phở nước, súp ấy.
Okay.
Đây là bún xào.
Okay, maybe just get one because we don't know what it is.
We should get Bằng Hoàng.
Bánh cuốn à? Mua bánh cuốn à?
Okay, up to you. You want? I already had that yesterday, so.
So what should you say?
I wish I okay. Một ba chỉ.
Một ba chỉ.
Where can't I get that?
I don't know. It's duck too. Cung là vip không? Bachi.
Không có. Today no vịt.
Bachi. Okay, bachi. I'll just try bachi.
Ok, một bánh cuốn, một ba chỉ. Cảm ơn.
You wanna drink something? Guys, one thing we noticed, and it's been true so far from like everywhere around Khao Bang, but everything has been really clean, like in comparison to what we're used to. Mine is pork. Let's go. So it's really like pho with pork.
How's the broth?
I know it's really hot, but it's good. Good? It's really good. I don't know, they don't have this in Hanoi. So they just gave us this. I put too much. It's like really like salty, spicy kind of thing. The people at the restaurant just told us that there's too much rain, and so like the waterfall is too strong and it just doesn't look good. So they said to go to the cave instead. I don't know. It changes a lot of plans.
Head west, then turn right.
Should we just? What? Okay, Hazel. How come I'm always talking to the camera and then you're always like doing some other thing like, oh, Nico, that's tracking. Oh, this. You see, she's never on the same page. Come on.
What?
Can you look at the? Oh, look at the dog. Look at the tree. Can you like? I'm talking to the camera.
Okay, yeah. You're bringing something.
Okay, let's go.
What's the plan?
See, she wasn't listening the whole time.
I was. Should we just go to the thing?
The cave? Okay, we're going to the cave. Let's see from there. So we just finished eating. We're gonna go to the waterfalls regardless because that's the whole reason we got here, right? If it doesn't look that nice, it doesn't look that nice.
How did we tried?
Ticket office. We got the tickets. These are the prices. Yeah. And then we can take these as well. But we're not taking this as an option.
Wait, talk louder. What is this? What is this shyness? Oh my god, Hazel.
They were watching me.
Take up space. Take up space.
Basically, with Nico's classes, they're transitional, right? From indoor to outdoor. But in Hanoi, they never got this dark. So we're just thinking maybe the UV ray index here is actually really high. And we didn't put sunscreen. But guys, something magical is behind me, so... Wow. Guys! We're right at the border belt!
Guys, that's it. Bands up. It is strong. Wow. This is known as the most beautiful waterfall in Vietnam. Look, so we have to go down over there. And then we can head down the path. Over there, guys, look, 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 look. That's China. Whoa! Okay, no, let's check. I forgot a hat, so I'm gonna put this on now.
I got a bracelet.
What?
What is that? Oh! Got me. So we just passed by the market.
Is it checking that?
So interesting. Oh, look, we have more stuff there.
Oh wow. I can kind of hear the falls.
The worst time to come here is July and August.
Okay, so right now it's the worst time to come here. Oh, this is why it's empty. This is why it's better. Okay, so here we are at Bản Giốc. This is what it looks like today. People are kind of disappointed, but I know we can't change the weather.
So nice.
Apparently it's supposed to be blue.
I feel like I'm in Niagara Falls.
It's Hazel, photographer. Let's go, Hazel. Woo. Work it. So, look, it'd be really cheap to go because it's only 50,000 VND per person to go on the raft. And I guess you can get really close to the waterfall. Kind of like Niagara Falls, honestly, but this is better because it's Vietnam, it's Asia. And over there, guys, you can see China. So guys, we decided that even though there's a really nice, beautiful cave nearby, we're going to continue our trip and head out to the next village because it's not raining and it's getting a little bit late. So if we end up going to the cave,
We might have to stay an extra day here.
yeah,
Which is not bad, but just postpones our trip.
I know, we have to take advantage and we have to leave now. So that's the second main attraction of this area, the caves. And we're not gonna go.
You wanna go?
No, it's okay, we don't have time. We don't have time. Look at all the butterflies.
I know. It's so nice.
Okay guys, so we're leaving the village. We're gonna go to the next one. Woo! See you there. I'm gonna buy cho em 10 nghìn. Cảm ơn. Wow, this is coffee. What do you want to drink? Trong một sinh to bò. I got the smoothie. This juice. Maybe this one. Juice would be good.
Orange juice.
Orange juice? Okay. Nước ép cam. So 30, 60, 65. 65. Bơ. À vâng vâng, bạn. Cảm ơn.
Oh wow.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, let's go there.
Huh?
Oh wow.
You can charge it.
Where? Ah. Oh, this is so cute.
So guys, look, we got our drinks, smoothie. Oh, so much cheaper than Hanoi, honestly. And then look, all these lychees, 10K.
Which is what? 60 cents?
Yeah, pretty much 60 cents. Nice. Well, look at her math. Happy New Year. Chúc mừng năm mới. Made it to Bản Giốc Mini. Hazel, come swim. Oh, bad influence. We just finished taking pictures at Mini Bản Giốc. I don't even know what this is. I just saw it on Google and I decided, okay, let's just stop by and sick. Man, I can't talk right now. Whatever. I'll share the pictures with you soon.
Now we're back. We're on our way to the homestay. How long is the drive?
Like 50 minutes?
50?
Yeah.
Okay, we have to go before sun goes down.
We've only made it like 10 minutes of distance.
Oh my god. Okay, bye guys. I don't know if you can see it, but we're at the incense making village. Oh my gosh. And this is where our homestay is. For the night.
Oh, this is a real village. Why did the chicken cross the road? Wow. A lot of development. So I assume that, you know, they have a lot of tourists coming here. Maybe. I mean, to bring in money. Watch out, chicken. Watch out, chicken. Mr. Kim. We're here.
Hello, my name is Nico. Nico. Yeah,
Yes,
Zalo.
on Zalo.
Okay. We are bedroom. Step.
Oh, there?
Okay, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. By you, family, bedroom.
Oh, for the family. Okay. Oh, it's really nice here. Hello. Yes.
Where did we go?
This is where I like to sleep.
You on bed?
Yeah. Oh. Thank you. 300?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Okay. You one bed, two bed?
Yeah, we have one bed.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have a dinner?
Dinner, yes.
Yeah. The 7:30 dinner.
7:30? Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, your bathroom in the left.
There, okay.
Okay.
Bathroom, okay.
Yeah.
Very nice. Oh.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna bring the other stuff, okay?
Yes.
Yeah! We're here! New homestay.
I don't know why, but I feel like I'm in.
I feel like I'm in Demon Slayer. You said it too?
Yeah, no.
Demon Slayer! We should watch some Demon Slayer right now. Guys, I don't know if you can see that, but as I was driving, there was more bugs that I killed with my face. Imagine you being that bug and your life ended. You just see my face. It's just like So guys, we've been exploring for a bit and I don't know, it's really peaceful.
Very peaceful.
Oh. I wonder what they make it out of. Maybe this?
No. I've seen it earlier.
What? How do they make incense?
Is that a bun?
Oh.
Xin chào.
Xin chào. Oh. Okay, we're gonna learn more about it tomorrow, but apparently this is how they make incense. Chúc sức khỏe.
Sức khỏe. Cảm ơn.
Cảm ơn. Food's really good. Although we have no idea what we're eating. Hello everyone. We're just drinking some tea. Cheers. We just finished our amazing homestay dinner. And I'll see you tomorrow.